Power PDF has an advanced set of editing capabilities just like you'd find in a word processing application. Now with a document open, we go to Edit, Convert to Editable. We can choose if this is a form. In this case it's a document. We'll convert that to Editable. And as you can see, we can add, delete, modify text. We can also select objects on the page. For example, this gray box. We can delete that if we'd like. And we can change the alignment of certain parts of the page, the text direction, the page size itself, quite a few different things with the page layout. When we're all done, we close the advanced editor, choose to finalize those changes. Power PDF converts it back into a PDF, and we're all done. It's just that easy.